right, guys, we got a 1972 Chevelle SS. Got the 6.2 in it. This is what it sounds like before we do anything to it. Go ahead. Woo, baby. Look at that sexy beast. Here's sound decibels before. Again. Right at 109. 72 Chevelle. So we'll let you guys hear it before with this system that came with it. Long tube headers. It's got the 6.2 in it. Then they shrunk it down to 2 1/4, believe it or not. I don't know why they did that. So, and then even shrunk it even smaller with 2-inch X pipe right there. Then it's got some Borla Pro SS's there and there with dumps. So what we're gonna do, you can see from there, we're gonna put some 3.5-inch center Black Widows. Gonna put in 3-inch in, 3-inch out, X pipe true flow, and 2 high flow cats, because when he parks it in the garage, it stinks and he's sick of it. So we're gonna put those in for him also, high flow cats right there. There'll be a link in the description for everything, guys. The cats, the part number on those cats are right here. There'll be a link in the description for them too, if you can find it for you guys. Anyways, there it is. That's what it looks like before. And we'll let you guys see it after we're done with it. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so we showed you what it looked like before. 1972 SS Chevelle. Anyways, got long tube headers there and there. We put high flow cats. I know you guys don't like it, but we like them because it makes it not stink when it's in the garage idling up. As you guys can see there and there, 2 high flows. Then 3-inch pipe, and we put a 3-inch ultra flow X pipe right there. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Then 3-inch out the back into some Black Widows right there. As you guys can see, one here, one here. Black Widow raised Venoms, 3.5s. Part number BW0011C. There'll be a link in the description for it, as you guys can see there. And then it's turned down right before the rear end, because you can't really run 3-inch up here because it's got coils on it. Right there, came out really clean. Then we got a Prius that got the cat stolen right there. You guys just heard. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And you know the saying, sharing is caring, so make sure you share. Much better. Yeah. You hear that now? That's sexy. Woo-hoo. You hear that cam hit? Black Widow, baby. Sound decibels, go ahead. 110. It's not bad. It's probably louder than that. When you get on it, when you stop on it. Yeah, it just hit 116. Again, one more. Yeah, 116. Go ahead and back it out. Sexy car in the rain.
beast mode. That's nice. Enjoy, guys.